Hello guys, magandang araw. Kung bago ka pa lang po sa channel ko, please subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa mga video na ilalabas ko po. Pa-support po guys, konting lambing naman.
Si Gutesa siguro alam ni Yuse kung nasan si Gutesa.
Bakit naman sa akin ang bibintang? Baka kayo may alam.
Ay, hindi.
Kayo
Hindi
naman
ko alam
yan.
kasi
Nakilala yan.
hindi, ikaw nasa gobyerno eh.
Pero teka lang, sino ba nag-present sa kanila?
Ay,
Mga
hindi ko
kaalyado
alam
niyo
kung sino nag-present. Please do not
Hindi
accuse
kami
me.
nag-present dyan. Baka kaalyado niyo nag-present
Ay,
dyan.
hindi. Ayan ang propaganda. Biro mo ang assertion mo. Ako kasama.
Eh, ba't mo hinahanap sa akin? Baka
Ay,
alam
hindi
mo.
ko- Alam mo, pag ikaw ang estado,
Okay.
never mind.
Well, let's
I respect this show. I do not
let's
want
ask
to
ng-
go
let's
to
ask
the
ng-
gato.
So, don't
Let's ask
start
ng vote.
kasi.
Let's ask ng
You're
vote.
putting something to me.
But you are representing government.
But still, bakit ko malalaman? Hindi ako nag-present dyan.
Oh.
Bakit mo sa akin ipapakita?
You can always say it in a very nice way without
You don't have
insulting
to
people.
start.
Oh,
You don't have to
excuse
start.
me.
Okay.
Excuse me.
You don't have to start.
Ganito po. Let's ask lang each one. Do we have any information from either end? Any information from either end of where he is? And
No, I don't
Wala.
know. There was someone who told me that he is in the custody of government, agencies of government, including the family.
including the family.
Including the family. So, do I know for certain? No. It was relayed to me. Am I part of the scheme that some people would say I am part? I am not. I am just an ordinary citizen who loves this country and would like to comment on certain things.
Tinanong natin yan sa Marines eh. At sinabi nila na wala sa kustodiya nila, walang nakakaalam. Siguro, ang dapat
Si
na
Mike
natin
Defenso
tanong si
din
Mike
naman.
Defenso.
Ayan, nagkalat na naman si Claire Castro. Ay nako, Claire Castro. Ganyan ba talaga yung attitude ng tagapagsalita ng isang presidente? O kahit i-respect mo na lang yung show. Ito yung tagapagsalita ng presidente na bungangira eh. Parang palaaway. Hindi maganda yung attitude. Nakakahiya ka naman. Kung sa bagay. Mana sa amo. Diba? Ay naku, abugaga pa naman to eh. Kaya inaayawan kaya ang daming nagbabash sa'yo eh. Kasi yung ugali mong Claire Castro ka eh. Ay nako. Sa bagay, yan siguro yung karakter mo talaga. Ay nako, sayang ang abogada.